Imagine the internet as a city, every message a car, every building a service, and every door has a number. Miss the number, your car gets lost. Miss a door, the wrong person walks in. Today we are unlocking the door numbers, its protocols and ports, so we can secure, troubleshoot, and defend like a cyber hero. Let's go. So first of all, we will see here. Let me zoom it for you. Go ahead. What is host? Hosts. Here. Host is a protocol is a rule book. Before hosts we will see the protocols. Protocol rule book. Protocol is a rule book that device used to talk. It defines format, order, error handling, or what to do if things go wrong. Think of it like a traffic law. Stop at red lights, keep right signal, turners. Without protocol, device cannot understand each other. No worry about notes. I will provide a link in the description for my Telegram channel where you can join. So basics of some protocols like HTTPS is for web traffic, then TCP, reliable connection, we have discussed this, or UDP, so then DNS, name resolution, then SSH, encrypted remote shell. This is some basics we will discuss in detail. Then let's go for port. What is port? Hashtag port. So an IP address is the building street address. A port is a specific door on that building. Let's imagine a building and specific port is a specific door. Door as a port. Imagining a building, door as a port. Finding this point. So an IP address is the building street's address. A port is a specific door on that building. Ports are numbered. How many ports are there? 0 to 5535. These are total number of ports. When data arrives at an IP, the port tells the OS which program should receive it. Then we should know that some well-known ports. Important point. Well-known ports. For the well-known ports, 0 to 1023. In a famous example, we can say 80, port number 80, 443, 22, 25. Then some registered ports. Short form. Registered ports are 1024, 249. 151. If you are preparing any exam, competitive exam, then these can be multiple choice questions for you. Then we can see dynamic and private ports. Dynamic and private ports from 49152 to 65535. These are dynamic or private ports. Then we'll see these protocols in detail. Let's go for that. First one we'll see HTTP is a TCP port. TCP port. What is the port number for it? 80. What is its purpose? It's unencrypted web traffic. Unencrypted web traffic. Remember that. Web service. It's a risky. Man in the middle attack can be performed here. Use HTTPS instead of HTTP. Then HTTPS. What is the port number for this? 443. This is the encrypted port. Web traffic sent. Then H, its port number is 22. It's a secure remote shell and file transfer. Then I will tell you the risks about SSH. Brute force if password used or prefer keys and rate limiting. Another one is FTP. It is about 20 and 21. 20 and 21. 20 is for data, 21 is for control. What is main purpose? File transfer. Then another port will say protocol SMPT. Mail delivery at port number is 25. What's its purpose? Sending mail. Then POP3 or IMAP is a TCP port 110 and 143. It's unencrypted. Its main purpose is email retrieval. Then DNS UDP port 6768. Main purpose it is dynamic IP assignment. Then we will say SNMP networking monitoring. Then ISMP, it's diagnostic. It's used in for ping, trace routes, useful for discovery, can abuse it for reflection attacks. I know that you are all aware of TCP and UDP. If you are not aware of that, go and check my video, this video where we have discussed TCP versus UDP. Now we'll see the main thing, how attackers use ports. Some common misuses, like for searching for open ports, default credentials, and unrestricted services. Another thing we can say, exposure management ports. What can be? SMB, RDP, high value targets. What can be open ports, for example? Then default credentials like for SSH, RDP, so on. Unrestricted services like DNS resolvers, open DNS resolvers. So how attackers use ports? By these 4 things. We'll see them in detail, no worry about that. How to use them, we'll make a practical video on this in upcoming videos, no worries. Then how can we defend? That's the main purpose. How can we defend techniques? Minimize attack surface, close unused ports. Add firewall, using firewall. Only expose what you need. Then use secure alternates. Like HTTPS, so on. Then another thing, we can use strong authentication and access control. Strong authentication and access control. Then we can patch and harden services. What does that mean? Like use case MFA role-based access, so on. Then we can monitor and log. Monitor and, like, for example, we will scan on our system using nmap, and we will see which ports are open. We can monitor there. Then another thing we can use DNS and DHCP hygiene. DNS and DHCP hygiene. Here hardness DNS restricted loop down DHCP. If you are not aware about these terms, no worry, we are going to discuss them every term in detail. So for an example, let me give you an example of real world. A web app left on port 80 without TLS results including credit nodes. We have to fix it, enable HTTPS TLS, HSTs and secure cookies. Example, an unmanaged IoT camera exposing port 554, that is RTSP, allowed an attacker to view stream. So by this, IoT camera can be exposed. So this was about protocol, and protocols are the, so in summary we will recap. Protocols are the rules of the road, ports are the doors, know them, control them. You protect your network secrets by the cyber hero who locks the doors that should not be open. So next time you blinking light on the server, do not guess, investigate, learn the protocols, respect the bots, and defend with intention. Subscribe to Cyber Hero for deep dives, hands-on defense, ethical, and quick security wins. Stay secure, be a cyber hero. Thank you. See you in the next video.